In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify theme without losing your content. A process that can seem daunting at first, but is easy and straightforward with the right guidance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopify URL. Once you're there, log in with your account details. If you're not logged in yet, locate the Login button or link, typically at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that for security purposes. This will bring you to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, find your way to the online store section of your dashboard menu. This is where all your site's theme management happens. Clicking on it will lead you to a section where you have an overview of your current theme. It's here that you will see all the themes you've installed and are available for use. Scrolling down through this section will give you access to the different options for themes you've either uploaded or purchased. Carefully look through and decide on the theme you wish to switch to. Remember, choosing the right theme is crucial as it represents your brand and caters to the functionality needs of your store. Once you've settled on a theme that you feel aligns best with your brand, locate the Add button associated with that particular theme. Clicking this will begin the process of adding it to your store. Now, don't worry, your content, such as products, pages, and blog posts, remains intact during this theme switch. Shopify is designed to separate your content from your layout, ensuring everything remains safe and sound as you experiment with different looks. The next step is to click on Publish. This button will replace your current theme with the one you've just added. Take a deep breath and hit Publish when you're ready. This action makes the theme live on your store immediately, updating your visitors' experience the moment they arrive on your site. After publishing, it's a good idea to review your site to make sure everything is appearing as expected. Check different pages, your product displays, and any custom content to ensure there are no glaring issues. This step is important to verify if any adjustments need to be made, like fixing image sizes, examining color schemes, or double-checking text alignments. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Shopify theme without losing any content. Don't hesitate to explore the customization options available in your new theme, and take advantage of this opportunity to refresh your store's look and feel. Thanks for watching, and happy